How to find a good mentor in every field of life. In every journey towards personal or professional growth, having a mentor can make a significant difference. A mentor serves as a guide, confidant, and source of inspiration, helping individuals navigate challenges and achieve their goals. But how do you find the right mentor for you in any field of life? Understanding the role of a mentor. A mentor plays a crucial role in providing guidance, support, and wisdom to their mentees. They share their knowledge and experiences, offering valuable insights that can accelerate the learning process. Additionally, mentors provide constructive feedback, helping mentees identify their strengths and areas for improvement. Identifying your needs. Before seeking out a mentor, it's essential to assess your goals, aspiration, and areas where you need guidance. Whether you're pursuing a career change, starting a business, or striving for personal development, understanding your needs will help you find a mentor who can provide relevant support. Researching potential mentors. One of the first steps in finding a mentor is to research potential candidates. Networking within your industry or community can help you identify individuals who have the experience and expertise you're seeking. Additionally, seeking recommendations from colleagues or mentors can lead you to valuable connections. Online platforms such as LinkedIn or mentorship programs can also be valuable resources for finding mentors. Evaluating mentor candidates. Once you've identified potential mentors, it's essential to evaluate them based on your specific criteria. Consider factors such as compatibility with your goals and values, their track record of success and expertise in your field, and their availability and willingness to mentor. Choosing a mentor who aligns with your needs and aspiration is crucial for a successful mentorship relationship. Initiating contact. After identifying potential mentors, the next step is to initiate contact. Craft a compelling introduction that highlights your admiration for their work and explains why you believe they would be an excellent mentor for you. Be respectful of their time and request a meeting or conversation to discuss the possibility of mentorship further. Building a relationship. Building a strong relationship with your mentor is essential for a successful mentorship experience. Establish trust and rapport by being open, honest, and receptive to feedback. Set clear expectations for the mentorship relationship, including how often you'll meet and what specific goals you hope to achieve. Communication is key, so make sure to check in regularly and keep your mentor updated on your progress and challenges. Learning from your mentor. Once you've established a mentorship relationship, focus on learning from your mentor's experiences and insights. Actively listen to their advice and suggestions, and be proactive in implementing them in your own life or career. Don't be afraid to ask questions or seek clarification when needed. Reflect on your progress and challenges regularly, and use your mentor's guidance to continuously improve and grow. Giving back. As you benefit from the guidance and support of your mentor, don't forget to show your appreciation and gratitude. Express your thanks for their time and wisdom, and consider ways to give back, such as offering assistance or support to others in need. Paying it forward by mentoring others in the future is also a meaningful way to honor the mentorship you've received.